Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a listing to your Airbnb wishlist. Whether you are planning a future trip or just exploring destinations, Airbnb's wishlist feature helps you save your favorite listing in one convenient place. First of all, launch open Airbnb application or go to the airbnb.com website and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the homepage of Airbnb, you can go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for a place that you like. You can also browse listing by location, dates, and filters such as price, type of place, or amenities. After you search for it, from the search results, go ahead and find a place you'd like to book. Click on the listing to view its details, scroll through the photos, descriptions, reviews, etc. And then, if you'd like to save it on your wish list, go to the top right corner and tap on the little heart icon. Now, create a wish list by typing in its name and click on Create. Right after you do that, you'll be able to save a listing to your wish list. Now you can access it anytime from the Wishlist tab from the home page at the bottom left. And there you have it. You can also organize your wish list by trip, location, or type of stay. You can share your wish list to your friends or family if you're planning a group trip. So that is how you can easily add a listing to your Airbnb wish list. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.